Greetings, budding artists! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today, we're diving headfirst into a realm of fantasy as we craft our very own enchanting masterpiece, the Magic Door Key. So grab your art supplies and get ready for a creative journey like no other. We'll start by shaping our key into something truly magical, a rounded-edged triangle with an inner border. To add a touch of regality, crown the top side of the key. Now let's move to the key's body, giving it the appearance of a musical note, complete with curvy lines on both sides. This will serve as the head design for our key. Onto the lower part, connect two cylinders with edgy rims. And create a puzzle piece-like shape for the part that goes inside the lock. These are connected to our key head with sturdy dots, holding it all together. Let's make our triangle special with sparkling crystals that catch the light. To complete our mystical masterpiece, add elements from the realm of fantasy. Wings, clouds, sparkles, and a heart-shaped lock. It's like a doorway to another world. Now let's breathe life into this magical key with colors. Use the same color for highlights and borders to give it that royal glow. Make that majestic crown a rich, deep yellow. Add a touch of yellow to fill the key, making it shimmer in rich gold. Now, for the crystals, use all shades of blues you like. They're reflecting light and adding a magical sparkle. Don't forget the pink clouds to create a whimsical atmosphere. Finally, sprinkle stars, dots, and sparkles to make our artwork truly enchanting. And there you have it, our magical door key that's ready to unlock the door to a world of fantasy. I hope you enjoyed this mystical journey as much as I did. Before we wrap up, if you found this video and our magic door key inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more exciting art adventures. Hit that like button and subscribe for more magical art. Thanks for joining me today and stay tuned for our next mystical masterpiece.